Is your front yard looking a bit weary and worn out? A well-maintained front yard can boost curb appeal, reflecting positively on you as a homeowner. Overgrown vegetation, patchy lawns, or outdated features can detract from its charm. Every front yard, no matter its current state, holds potential for beauty. Revamping your front yard starts with a solid plan. Ponder the size of your yard, the local climate, and your personal plant preferences. Are you a fan of roses, or do you prefer a low-maintenance succulent garden? Do you dream of a water feature or a quaint seating area? Sketch out your ideas, research the plants that will thrive in your environment, and establish a budget. Your yard revamp shouldn't break the bank. With a clear plan in hand, you're ready for the exciting part, the transformation. Now, roll up your sleeves, it's time to get to work. Revamping your front yard can be broken down into manageable steps. Let's walk through them. First, let's clear the canvas. Remove old plants and features that no longer serve your vision. This might seem daunting, but remember, every masterpiece begins with a blank slate. Next, prepare the soil. It's the foundation of your new landscape, so give it the attention it deserves. Add compost, till the soil, and ensure it's well drained. Thirdly, it's time to plant. Be mindful of the sun and shade patterns in your yard. Some plants love the sun, others prefer the shade. Choose your plants accordingly. The fourth step is adding features. These could be a charming bird bath, a rustic bench, or a winding stone path. These elements bring personality to your landscape. Finally, maintain your new landscape. Regular watering, weeding, and pruning will keep it looking fresh and inviting. Remember, transforming your front yard is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process. We'd love to see your own front yard transformations. Whether it's a complete overhaul or a simple spruce up, let's celebrate your green-fingered achievements. Share your progress in the comments or on social media. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!